Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. It's another day here, Victoria, Texas. Of course, I got my orange shirt on again. I wanted to show you a little bit of here, man. These rigs, basically, they got a bunch of U-Haul trucks. U-Haul trucks are what they put a lot of supplies in when they send the crews out to do repairs. Disaster relief trucks, trailers. This truck right here, man, that's got about every tool, everything known to mankind. There's a guy in there that sharpens chainsaw blades pretty much non-stop, services all the chainsaws, all the equipment. This tractor trailer there, that tractor trailer there has tarps, 2x4s, furring strips, nails, anything that you need to probably repair a roof, or tools it would need to do drywall repair, that kind of stuff. Of course, down here is where we've been sleeping. It's basically a gymnasium. They've only had that gymnasium, it was just built. They took occupancy, okay, that they could use this gymnasium a day before the hurricane hit, and the whole gym floor is demolished. They had to cut out part of the gym floor, the wood gym floor and stuff. So the first use it's getting is to house volunteers like me, sleeping on the floor, which I showed you, video of that the first day we got here. There's also another semi truck down there that's a shower trailer, and basically it's pretty nice. It's all stainless steel in there. Go in there, they got a shower, a little sink and stuff, and you can get the stink off you. So anyway, it's another day. We got the day off today because it's a Sunday, so they gave us the day off, and we're gonna go check out some devastation here on a city called Rochester, I believe, not too far from here, and taking you guys along. Rockport, Texas. Just an absolute mangled mess. I can't even explain the devastation that came through here. The place is almost like leveled. This is a house. There's somebody's living room up there, on the second floor. In the kitchen. TV's still sitting there, man. That there's a hull of a boat. Hull of a boat snapped in half. Here we are, just down here by Rockport. Notice this light up on a pier, and the light is full of water inside it, and we are 15 feet above the water, at least. So you'd have to expect that the water was at least above that, higher than this is. So 15, at least 15-foot storm surge out here. That's an RV right there. What's left of an RV. All this is RVs. It's an RV park or something. Right? The way it looks, because it's a pile after pile of dump trucks. Another RV. Here's a house to your right, man. I can follow an RV to your right. Oh my gosh. There's the front. Hang on, Timmy.
You ever seen an RV that goes snap without the trailer?
That car had the windows blown out. Look at this storage facility or whatever it is.
Maybe these RVs were parked or something.
Oh, that's what it was. It was a storage facility, and these were RVs that were stored there, and it just got destroyed. Man, the stench. Oh. It was an RV park. No, this was an RV place, because look, there's the hookups and stuff.
Oh, yeah.
That's why. I mean, there's newer RVs in here now. Obviously, that's where people are living, but all those RVs were the ones that were in here that just got destroyed. So right now you're seeing devastation, but you don't have the smell-o-vision. The smell is a stench. It is like rotten, what, garbage?
Mold,
garbage.
Backed up septics.
Like, pretty much feces.
I mean, go down some more.
Trust me, it's not a pleasant smell. No, it didn't last. That motor home didn't last. Actually, it was more of like a, what do they call those?
Modular home.
Modular home, yes, thank you.
Or a
Danny.
travel trailer.
Glorified.
Or a camper.
That's warm water.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Bathtub?
Yeah, it's
Too warm
probably,
to actually swim in.
probably 80 degrees.
Actually, it's more than 80 degrees.
Right?
Oh yeah, that's 88. I put it 80, 85.
Oh,
It
no.
never gets that warm.
No, I'd say it's probably like 88.6. Doesn't zoom. Hey, I didn't know that I had family down here, but obviously I do.
Oh, there's another one. Well, it's one's up.
Because check this out. Wait a minute. Timmy's turning around here for me. Kind of amazing here. Look at that.
Wait a minute.
Avery. That's right. Avery Family Construction. Roofing, siding, gutters, general contracting. I mean, I'm pretty much family down here. I got a job if I want.